G'day all. Now, all of us who are into these model engines, we do like to have workshops. Here's my mini workshop. This one is a May mod. And this one is from Jensen. Now, I received this one from EngineDiyShop. Now, this one is a Retrol GF-01. Now, this one comes in kit form. And I'm pretty excited to have a look at what's inside the box. So we'll cut that open. And let's see what we've got. Alright, so there's the instructions. That looks pretty good. It's got a drill press, grindstones, light switch. There's the belts, and there's the transmission. Okay, there's the instructions to put it all together. All right, we'll have a look inside the box. Oh, that looks beautiful. All nice brass. Take that layer out. I can hear things moving around. Alright, there's the... Okay, this looks very nice. I'll just take the drill press out. Wow, just have a look at that. The weight of that is actually quite amazing. That is heavy. Give you a close up in there of the gears. In this tiny little drill bit, and the pedestal that goes up and down. What a beautiful! That's absolutely gorgeous. So the grinder's next. Just have a look at how beautiful that is. The weight of that is really substantial. What a great looking workshop. Okay, let's get this mounted. Okay, so I've moved a little bit forward now. I've got the light mounted and I've got the bench grinder, or the pedestal grinder, I should say. It's not a bench grinder, it's a pedestal grinder. I've got that mounted. Now, this is a little bit different with this one. You can see this really nice switch. What's different about it is the nice switch is wired up to this little battery pack that takes two AA batteries. and when I operate the night switch, the LED comes on. Now that's really nice. This night switch is really built well. All brass. The weight of this is getting heavier as I'm adding more things. Now I've still got all of these brass flywheels and these mounting brackets for the line shaft at the back, so I'll move on to that now. So here is one of the shafts, and the shafts have got a slot at the back here, and there's a circlip on there, and that holds the ball bearings. Now here they are. Here's one of the ball bearings, tiny little ball bearings. Now they're not sealed, which is great. You can actually see the ball bearings in them. So they're not sealed, so they spin really well. And I'll just show you on this one that I've already put on. You watch and listen. That's the difference between a sealed bearing and an unsealed bearing. So without the seals on the bearing, you don't get that friction. Now that's just from one little spin, and that's still spinning. Still going. So that's pretty impressive. The other really interesting thing with these engines, with these workshops that are coming out from Retrol, is that this upright is stainless steel, all the brass, the polished aluminium, and these are stainless steel, so you're not going to have any rusting problems. They're absolutely fantastic. Keep going now. The attention to detail is absolutely incredible. This is the handle that's going to go on the pedestal drill, and you can see these wee little brass, they're threaded, tiny little thread goes onto this hub. So I have to screw, this is the third one, put that, screwing that in, and then there's 3 stainless ball bearings. Just get this up here. Here's the little tiny round ball bearing. So that's been drilled and tapped. Let me find where it is. So you can see that little thread. So now that little round stainless steel balls on there. There we have the handle that we're all familiar with on the pedestal drill. So put that on here and get a Phillips head screwdriver. Here's one. Screw that down. Okay. Now, look at that. How fantastic is that? The attention to detail on that is just absolutely incredible. Okay, I'm nearly getting there. A few more installments, and I think we'll be there. And there, you can see that there's the gears. There's 3 speeds on the pulley. Alrighty, here we are. This is the Retrol GF-01 Workshop completed. I did make a few boo-boos. I put one of the pulleys here in the wrong spot, so I had to redo that, and I put this pulley on back to front. But besides that, it's all working. You can see that tiny little drill bit there that comes with it moving, and we'll turn the lights off, and there's the light on. You can see that light on with the night switch. Super cool, absolutely super cool. So turn that back off, we'll have the lights back on. The weight of it is fairly substantial. Now people, of course, I don't know why people say this, but people say, okay, it's a Chinese workshop, but the workshops that I showed you before, the Maymod's out of business, so you can't buy a Maymod workshop anymore, and Jensen don't make or sell their workshops anymore. So anybody getting into the hobby who wants to have a workshop to run off one of their engines, here we go. A Retrol from China, absolutely fantastic.